Hello friends, welcome to all my Adarsh classes Himachal. Today we discuss about GK questions. Mainly cover history, geography, economy, political science, sport and science. Again repeat history, geography, economy, political science, sport and science questions. Right? Uh, Now we start. First question is alpha keratin is a protein present in which thing? वूल मीन्स ऊन। आप देख रहे हो कि क्वेश्चन लिखे हुए जो आंसर है वो नीचे लिखे हुए हैं, बट मैं अभी डायरेक्ट आपको क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर बोलता रहूँगा, बाद में आप क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं। राइट। अल्फा कैरेटिन इज ए प्रोटीन विच इज इन विच थिंग वूल। वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली हेल्ड? न्यू डेली। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज एज ए मॉडरेटर इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर? ग्रेफाइट। Which planet look reddish in the night sky? Mars. What was the source of the blue-green stone lapis lazuli for the people of Harappan culture? Afghanistan. Right? Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100 international century against which country? Bangladesh. In the baseball, the two opposing team consisting of how many players? 9 players. Right? The improper function of which result in condition myxedema in human beings? Thyroid gland. In 1610, Galileo Galilei discovered 4 moons of which planet? Jupiter. In the Vedic society, which was the term used to denote a group of families? Gram. Who was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of Constituent Assembly? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which element that does not occur in the nature but can be produced artificially? Plutonium. When had India a planned holiday? After the drought of 1966. How are the latitude and longitude perpendicular to each other? Which philosophy hold that the world is created and maintained by universal law? Jain philosophy. Which book is authored by V.S. Naipaul? A House for Mr. Vishwas. Which can be used for the biological control of mosquito? Gambusia. Which proclamation of the national emergency automatically suspended right to freedom? The latitude of the place in the same has which place? Celsius pole. What was the script used in the earliest Tamil inscription? Brahmi. राइट इसके आंसर सी हैं, आप इनको दोबारा से क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट 20 क्वेश्चन वी स्टार्ट। द total internal reflection of light is possible when light enter from which thing? Water to air. The book Worshipping False Gods is written by which person? Arun Shourie. When was the rolling plan designated? 1978 to 83. Right? When was the rolling plan designed? 1978 to 83. Which is the global biodiversity hotspot in India? Western Ghat. During which region was Kalidas lived? Chandragupta II. In the human body, copper gland form a part of which system? Reproductive system. The resolution from removing the Vice President of India can be moved in which Sabha? Rajya Sabha alone. Which transition metal is liquid state? Mercury. Which type of the forest exhibit highest biodiversity? Tropical rainforest. Which Rashtrakuta ruler established a victory pillar in the Rameshwaram? Krishna III. Who directed the famous TV serial Tandoori Nights? Saeed Jafri. The UNESCO declared 2011 has which international year? International Year of Chemistry. In the absence of ribosome in cell, which function does not take place? Protein synthesis. Right? Where are the Tapovan and Vishnugad hydroelectric project located? Uttarakhand. Who has the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate? Answer is Nasir ud Din Muhammad. To whom does the Public Account Committee submit its report? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha. If a bar management is cut lengthwise into 3 parts, what will the total number of the poles be? 6. Why does the issue department of RBI maintain against printing of note? Minimum reserve system, right? What which the river is Omkareshwar project associated Narmada. The ruler which was not invited to join the confederacy of fight against Vijayanagar in the battle of Talikota, Berar, Berar, right? आप क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो सभी आंसर्स को, राइट. नेक्स्ट 20 क्वेश्चन वी स्टार्ट. What is the study of growth and development of embryology? What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? 14 years. Angular separation between two color of the spectrum depend upon which thing? Angle of deviation. Which mountain range stretches from Gujarat in the west to Delhi in north? Aravalli. In which nomad man started settling? Neolithic age. Whereas the headquarters of the International Atomic Energy Agency is located Vienna. The book of diplomatic encounter has been written by which author? Arundhati Roy. What is the study of pulse and arterial blood pressure called? Sphygmomology. The Himalayas are formed a parallel fold range of which the oldest range? The Great Himalayan Range. Rig Veda is divided into 10 books. Which books are the oldest, second and seventh? Who is the competent to prescribe condition has for inquiring Indian citizenship parliament? Which is the element that has the highest first ionization potential? Nitrogen. During which plant did prices show a decline? First. Which state has the largest number of salt lake in India? Rajasthan. Who has the last of the 24th Jain Tirth? Mahavira. Who is the author of the book The Right of Man? Thomas Paine. What is the considered as the easily digestible source of protein? Soya bean. When the Vice President acts as a president, he gets the emolument of which post? President. Which port especially developed for exporting iron ore to Japan? Paradeep. Which site where Ashokan pillars exist has the bull capital? Rampura. And this is the answers. तो थैंक यू सो मच. इस वीडियो में हमने लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 60 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस किए हैं. तो जल्दी ही नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.